Dr. Herbert Virgin and his colleagues are looking for pathways.
When a series of steps within our own cells, which we call pathways, function in the wrong way, they can contribute to disease. Now, signposts for the steps and pathways that allow us as scientists to decide how to focus our research come from identifying genetic mutations that some people carry that make them more likely to have diseases like inflammatory bowel disease. Now, each person has a unique, a very personal pattern of such signposts. When we understand the multiple pathways within a given individual that cause the disease, we then have a chance to try and personalize the care for that person's disease. Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are really many different disease processes that lead to similar symptoms. And therefore, even people with very similar disease symptoms may need medicines that are specifically targeted to the pathways that are part of their personal disease story. Responses to treatments can vary between different people, and the environment that a person is in also plays an important role. There's not just one thing, it's individual. This means we have to be able to personalize our treatments and our scientific approaches. Researchers around the world working very closely together, studying literally tens of thousands of patients, have solved a major mystery by identifying more than 100 places in the human chromosome that contain gene mutations now proven to contribute to Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. And our job in the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation Genetics Initiative is to mine these amazing data and classify the signposts as pointing to individual pathways that we can then target for diagnostics or for new treatments. You can imagine treating inflammatory bowel diseases like a game of darts. The bullseye is the cause of the disease in that person that we're trying to treat, and the dart is the treatment. Until now, treating inflammatory bowel diseases sometimes felt like playing darts without a bullseye, not really knowing the cause we're trying to change. Now we have several new bullseyes to go after. That's the breakthrough. That's tremendous progress. And to us, that's very exciting. Defining these important pathways will lead to better individualized therapies very soon. This genetics initiative, and also our parallel microbiome research, will shape the future of treatment through the efforts of the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation. And our work will continue, developing new therapies, finding more pathways that lead us to better and better treatment approaches. We would like patients who may be suffering today to know that the future looks very hopeful to us and that we will do everything we can to make sure that real solutions are not far off.
The Crohn's and Colitis Foundation of America is embarking on the next phase of our genetics and microbiome research initiatives. Please visit ccfa.org to help us lead the way into the future of treatment and the eventual prevention and cure of IBD.